Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer components into Figma libraries, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Figma project where the components are currently located. Next, select the components you wish to transfer. If you need to transfer multiple components, hold down the Shift key while selecting each one. Once your components are selected, right-click on the selection. From the context menu, choose Copy. Now, navigate to the Figma file that will serve as your library. In the library file, decide where you want to place the new components. Click to create a new frame or select an existing one. After selecting your desired location, right-click in the frame. Choose Paste from the context menu to transfer the components. With the components now in your library, you may want to organize them. Consider using frames or sections to categorize similar components together. Next, ensure each component is properly named for easy identification. Double-click on the component name to edit it as necessary. To make these components available for use in other projects, publish the library. In the top right corner, click on the Assets panel to open it. Find the Library section and click on Publish. Review any changes and confirm by clicking the Publish button again. Your components are now part of a Figma library, ready for reuse in any project. To access them, open the Assets panel in another Figma file. Find your published library under the Team Library section. Toggle it on to view and use the components in your current project. That's it. You have successfully transferred components into a Figma library. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.